So we're just a couple of days away from spring, which means like lots and lots and lots and lots of like blue fragrances and all that are going to be worn. So my eyes have been peeled for some unique ones. Stay tuned, this one's awesome.
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible. So refreshing, you're irresistible. Tell the essence. I can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
What's up fam, it's Cam and welcome back to CFR. So yes, my eyes have been peeled and I've been doing a lot of sampling to find like summer and spring fragrances that actually perform or are unique or whatever, you know, just other than your regular run-of-the-mill, boring, blah, summertime fragrances. And of course, I will be wearing those, absolutely. But this one just might take the cake. So the fragrance I am talking about is Falling into the Sea, or Fits. This is a fragrance I've had a few samples of. It's been on my radar, but by the time that I was actually gonna pull the trigger on it, it turned into fall and winter, so I actually started picking up like Memoirs of a Trespasser, Cape Heartache, and I actually started getting other samples, and there'd been one that had been on my radar. Other than Fits, it was City on Fire. I had a sample of that and like, it's like so unique. And what was weird is having this clean, fresh, awesome fragrance. When you open this up, the presentation has been stepped up at Imaginary Authors too, in case you haven't seen how their new presentation is. Their old presentation was really cool and unique, but they really stepped their game up. It actually looks like a book. You have this little tab right here. When you open, it actually has a magnet on it. And then you have your bookmark. You also have a discount little card here. Then you've got your fragrance, and then you've got in case of emergency break glass. And that is actually where City on Fire was at. So you get like two extremely, totally different contrasts, which is what's so awesome about Imaginary Authors is their fragrances are really like nothing else. They are very unique. And that is one of the things that I love about them. But let me tell you something, like just by wearing samples of this, I had no idea of the projection and performance of this. This is like really, really good. I don't know if you guys remember when I was talking about Saint Julep, which is like an amazing, amazing fragrance. It just has like, I really wish that there like be like ambroxan or something stuck in that fragrance. But I mean, I know they do what they do for a reason, but God, the performance is so bad on that fragrance. You could literally like pour the whole thing on you and like 45 minutes later it'd be gone. Not the case for this little gem right here. 8+ hours, very, very nice projection, amazing sillage. I mean, like literally, especially like on your clothes, I mean, a good, I don't know, maybe 18, 20 hours, I'm not exaggerating, has been done. So I'm really, really looking forward to wearing this. Now the type fragrances this is gonna be, I would say, you know, depending on what part of the country you're at and how warm it's getting, this is going to be like probably maybe 80 degrees and higher. This is gonna be more of like a summertime fragrance, but I still, you know, like, that don't mean that you can't wear it in the spring. But it seems more like a daytime fragrance, a casual fragrance, a fun fragrance, day at the beach, poolside, vacation, just having fun. This is just like a tropical paradise, just trapped in a bottle. It's unique. It's not anything that I've smelled before. So, you know, that is like massive marks for me. And another cool thing, other than the imaginary note that comes on all of the Imaginary Authors fragrances, is you have the note breakdown on the back. So all you have to do is look on the back and it will tell you the notes. It's lemon, bergamot, grapefruit, lychee, tropical flowers, and warm sand. And warm sand is the imaginary note because that's the feeling that you're gonna get of being like in a tropical paradise. To me, I would say maybe like Thailand, because lychee is actually like a tropical Asian fruit. So that would make sense to me. You know, like if you've seen like some of the beautiful, beautiful resorts like in Thailand, that would work. I mean, but Hawaii would be fine. I mean, for me, heck, Myrtle Beach would be fine. But happy fragrance, amazing projection, amazing performance. I love wearing this one. I think that this one actually has stepped up a notch, up above Sundrunk for me. Now, I know a lot of you love Sundrunk, and I do too. But this one actually performs better. And this one has, I don't know, man, I don't know. They're so good. They're so good. And another little side note about this is one of the only birthday presents that I got. My son hooked me up, and let's just say an extremely awesome owner of a brand gave me this. You know who you are, and thank you. So I did kind of just like breeze through like the bookmark, and this is actually a enjoy 10% off and a 50 ml bottle at Imaginary Author, so that will come in handy. And to be honest with you, for the uniqueness of the fragrance, the presentation, and what you get for $95, that's of course before that discount, I'd say that Imaginary Authors is one of the better deals as far as any indie brands goes. And they are definitely one of the most unique, one of my favorite indie brands easily. And before I like toss this awesome little bookmark, let me read to you a little something on here, which also has the notes as well. But a little quotation from the story about this fragrance. It says, "Caught in the undertow of his salty lemon lips, I caught myself drifting helplessly into a soundless summer unconsciousness." And this is a unisex fragrance, so yes, I could see where this would probably smell really nice on a woman as well. So if you're looking to be unique and wear a fragrance that does not smell like other people that are going to be around you, with great performance, cool presentation, and support independent business, which is plus, 10 out of 10 for me, all the way across the board on this fragrance, this brand, and what they represent and the uniqueness. Absolutely love this brand, and this is an amazing, unique summer fragrance. I know that there's plenty of you out there that are Imaginary Authors fans. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite Imaginary Authors fragrance is. If you have not got your nose on any Imaginary Authors fragrances, tell me which one you want to get your nose on. I think I'm gonna do some sort of giveaway here soon. I'm not sure what type. It might be like maybe some samples. Maybe I'll find like some cool indie brands, or I haven't made my mind up. I think, you know, I'm just gonna get some feedback from you guys. I'm gonna do something cool though, because we have passed 5,000. We're moving on. I told you that I was just gonna keep my head down until we got to 10K, but I do wanna do a little bit of something for you guys because like, y'all are the best. I appreciate you, and just keep supporting us, and we'll keep making fun and awesome content. We got some cool crap that's gonna blow your mind coming this year. So strap in, share this channel with a friend, share this video with a friend. Until next time, be disruptive, wear what you want, when you want, have fun. Make sure that you're subscribed to Carolina Fragrance Reviews, activate that notifications bell, smash that like button, leave us some comments down below. We'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.